Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanda Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. I will starting with your chapter number 5, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. Learning outcomes. By the end of this chapter, the students will able concept of the refrigeration and air conditioning, various types of air conditioning system, various controls used in field of the refrigeration and air conditioning, basic fault finding in refrigeration and air conditioning. Part 1, Introduction to refrigeration, vapor compression refrigeration system, domestic refrigerator, concept of frosting and defrosting, method of energy saving in refrigerator. Introduction to refrigeration. Refrigeration is defined as the process reducing and maintaining the temperature of any substance or space lower than the temperature of surrounding. Any substance maintained at the lower temperature than the temperature of surrounding can be called as refrigerated substance. Similarly, any space maintained at the lower temperature than the temperature of surrounding can be called as refrigerated space. Effectiveness of refrigeration process is measured in terms of ton of refrigeration, torr we can say, necessity of refrigeration to prevent vegetable and fruits, to preserve milk product like butter, cheese, ghee, etc., to preserve meat, poultry products, fish, etc., to preserve medicines. Okay, refrigeration ka use, four types of use we can make. Necessity is there for refrigeration. Various terms related to the refrigeration or terminologies of refrigeration. Refrigerating effect, and it is defined as the quantity of heat extracted from the cold body or a space to be cooled at the given time, and is equal to heat extracted from cold space divided by time taken. Compressed power. It is the work of input supplied by the compressor in the form of the electrical energy to the compressor. Coefficient of performance. It is defined as the ratio of the heat extracted in the given time of refrigerating effect to the work output. Coefficient of performance is equal to heat extracted in evaporated divided by input. Coefficient of performance is equal to refrigerating effect divided by work input. Coefficient of performance is equal to N upon W. The COP is always greater than 1. Okay, coefficient of performance. The coefficient of performance is always greater than 1, and it is known as theoretical coefficient of performance. Unit of refrigeration, torr. Refrigeration is measured in the term of tons of refrigeration. 1 torr is defined as the quantity of heat required to remove from 1 ton of the water at 0 degree Celsius to form 1 ton of ice at 0 degree Celsius within a 24 hours. Latent heat of fusion of ice is the amount of the heat to be removed from the water at 0 degree Celsius to convert into the ice at the 0 degree Celsius. For 1 kg of latent heat of the fusion of ice is equal to HFG is equal to 335 kilojoules per kg. We know that 1 ton is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 3 kg. By definition, 1 torr we can write 1 torr is equal to amount of heat removed is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 1 into 10 raised to 3 multiply by 335 divided by 24 into 60 is equal to, you will get answer 232.6 kilojoules per minute. Okay, but for a practical calculation, standard value of 1 torr is taken as 1 torr is equal to 210 kilojoules per minute, or 1 torr is equal to 3.517 kilowatt. Application of refrigeration in the chemical industry for separating and liquefying the gas, in manufacturing and storage ice, for the prevention of the permissible food items in the cold storage, for controlling the humidity of the air manufactured, and heat treatment for the steels, for chilling the oil remove wax in the oil refineries, for preservations of the tablets and medicines in pharmaceutical industries, for preservation of blood tissues, etc., for comfort air conditioning the hospital theaters, etc. Properties of refrigeration. What are the properties? You see, properties are a good refrigerant should have the high latent heat vaporization. It should have the low boiling at the low freezing point. It should non-toxic and should non-corrosive. It should be non-flammable and non-explosive. It should have high thermal conductivity. It should easily handle. It should have low specific volume of the vapor. It should have specific coefficient of performance. Vapor compression refrigeration system, VCC. Okay, this system consists of compressor, condenser, reservoir tank and expansion valve and evaporator. Compressor and reciprocating compressor generally used for a very high, for a big plant. A centrifugal compressor directly coupled with the high rotating engine. Gas turbines are used for a very big plant. Centrifugal compressor are directly coupled with the high speed of the rotating engine. Condenser, it is a coil of a tube made of a copper. Reservoir tank, it is a reservoir of a liquid refrigerant. Expansion liquid, this is a throttle valve. High pressure refrigerant is made to the flow at the control rate of through the its valve. Evaporator, it is an actual cooler and keep the space to be cool. An evaporator is a coil of a tubes made of copper. Working, the low pressure refrigerant vapor coming out from the evaporator flow in the compressor. The compressor is driven by the prime mover. In the compressor, the refrigerant vapor is compressed. The high pressure of the refrigerant vapor from the compressor is then passed to the condenser. The refrigerant gives out the heat it had taken in the evaporator. The heat equivalent to the work done on the compressor. This heat is carried by the condenser medium, which may be the air or water. The high pressure liquid refrigerant then enters the expansion valve. The valve allows the high pressure liquid refrigerant to flow control rate in the evaporator. While passing through this valve, this liquid partially evaporates. Most of the refrigerant is vaporized only in the evaporator at the low pressure. In the evaporator, the liquid refrigerant absorbs its latent heat from the evaporation from the material which is to be cooled. Thus, the refrigeration effect is obtained. Then the low pressure refrigerant enter the compressor and the cycle is repeated. Application: water cooler, domestic refrigerator, ice plant, cold storage, air conditioner. Domestic refrigerator, this is our refrigerator, domestic. Okay, at household purpose we use. Primary function to provide a food storage space, maintain low temperature 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius for the preservation of food. Secondary function, formation of ice cube. Working cycle use, vapor compression cycle. Okay, refrigerant use is R134A. Construction, domestic refrigerator consists of following main components: hermetically sealed compressor. Okay, hermetically sealed compressor, air cooled condenser, fins and tube evaporator, capillary tube, accumulator, dryer and strainer. Okay, thermostat. 7 types of combustion. Domestic refrigeration has the cabinet shape. It in its basement compressor and at the back side of the condenser the receiver are arranged. Evaporator remains exposed inside the refrigerator cabinet storage. Ice tray are kept in the evaporator for producing the small quantity of ice. Compressor is bagged dome shaped machine to which the suction and discharge of the compression tube are attached. On the compression body, relay and overall protector are fitted. Okay, condenser is black colored tube generally keep the backside. By the adjusting thermostat knob, temperature in the evaporator is adjusted. Dryer strainer is provided to remove the impurities of the refrigerating system. Okay, a soft rubber gasket with the magnetic wires is provided around the throat tip of the cabinet, prevent the air leakage and reduce the heat transfer. working. Low pressure liquid refrigerant enter into the evaporator, absorb the heat from the refrigerator space and get converted into low pressure and low temperature vapor refrigerant. It creates the cooling effect in the space of the refrigerated. This low pressure vapor is sucked by the compressor where its pressure and temperature are increased by the compression. High pressure and temperature vapor refrigerant is cooled and the condenser in the condenser rejecting the heat to the atmospheric and get converted into high pressure and low temperature low liquid refrigerant. In other words, the cooling of medium that atmospheric air flow over the condenser tube. This air absorbed the heat rejected by the refrigerant during its flow, okay, through the tube of the condenser. This is the pressure of the low temperature liquid refrigerant pass through the capillary tube where its pressure is reduced by throttling process. Thus, by the end of this capillary tube, refrigerant becomes low pressure low temperature liquid refrigerant. This low temperature liquid refrigerant enters into the evaporator for absorbing heat from the space to the refrigerator. In this way, vapor compression cycle is completed and repeated again and again. Capacity of domain refrigerator is expressed in terms of liters. Domestic refrigerator available in market have standard capacity such as 90, 165, 210, 300 liters and so on. Concept of frosting and defrosting. Frosting means what? It is a deposition of ice on the evaporator coil due to the very low temperature. When the air passes over the extremely cold evaporator coil, the moisture in the separator air and decompose the coil and get solidified to the form of the frosting. Frosting that the ice accumulated is bad conductor of the heat and reduce the air transfer from the space to cool the refrigerant inside the evaporator. Therefore, on the removal of ice from the evaporator coil, known as defrosting is recommended. Defrosting means what? It is the melting of the frost which accumulated or deposit in the form of ice on the evaporator surface. Generally, all type of refrigerator having more than one door have automatic defrost system. In such refrigerator, freezer section is separated from the cooling cabinet thermostat. At the regular time interval, supply of the electricity to the compressor gets stopped, but at the same time electricity supplied to the heater, due to the consumption of the electricity, heater gets heated, which can remove all the frost accumulated on the evaporator. Defrosting get completely in the very short period of time, like few minutes. Mostly commonly used heaters are aluminum tubes, glass tubes, metal tubes. Method of energy saving in refrigerator. Household refrigerator use approximately 90 watts to 600 watts of the electrical energy. Amount of energy used can greatly reduce by implementing the good conservation of various techniques, adjusting the refrigerator temperature setting, minimize door opening as much as possible, allow hot food to cool before placing them in the refrigerator, keep the refrigerator full, do not overfill your refrigerator or freezer, turn on your refrigerator energy saver switch, keep your refrigerator away from the heat source such as oven, dishwasher, direct sunlight window. Check the door seal, also called as gasket, on the refrigerator. Avoid blocking the air flow passage to and from the condenser coil. Regulate defrost manual defrost model. Buy Energy Star quality refrigerator model. Thank you.